I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. You could cut ties with all the lies that you've been.
According to most surveys, teenage smoking, alcohol consumption, and marijuana use is down, which is the good news. But the bad news is...
Yeah, even though there's enormous progress on the drug issue, the bad news is that prescription drug abuse, over-the-counter drug abuse, and also inhalants are all going up.
Why is that?
Well, really what we're hearing from kids is these are household products. These are things they're getting from mom's medicine cabinet, a friend's medicine cabinet, and they believe very truly that it's a safer way to get high, which is a real falsehood.
Why? How can you dissuade them of that notion right here?
Well, clearly, when you abuse prescription drugs in the same way that you would have used illegal street drugs, they are every bit as dangerous and every bit as deadly as the street drugs.
And every bit as addictive.
Every bit as addictive given what the drug is, particularly prescription painkillers.
Tell me about some of the numbers because they're really frightening.
Right now in America, we've got about 1 in 5 teenagers who is admitted to abusing prescription drugs and about 1 in 10 who have admitted to abusing over-the-counter cough medicine. Those numbers are higher than cocaine or heroin or a lot of the things that are on most parents' radar screens. This really represents a whole new tier of substance abuse in America and something that most parents don't have any experience in because it didn't happen when they were teens.
Anyone knows what they're doing here. And your friends have left you, you've been dismissed. I never thought it would come to this, and I want you to know.
I had some close calls some nights. My heart was just racing so fast, and I couldn't sleep at all, and I got really scared.
You can put the past away. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. Could cut ties with all the lies.
The brain is still developing, even into your teen years, probably even in your early 20s. At that critical period in your brain's development, if you're overstimulating it with various substances, the effect is going to be more profound. Your brain's going to develop abnormally, and you're going to end up with problems that never go away.
Can affect your lungs and slow down heart rate, which can make it hard to breathe and stay conscious.
As a person gets more and more addicted or uses pain medicines more and more frequently, they work less and less effectively.
I needed more to kind of get through the day, and it was just, if I didn't have it, that's all I would think about. And I would honestly, screw over anyone to get it.
I had a lot of stress in my life, and then I turned to prescription drugs. My life began to change, and my grades began to slip. I had a lot of stress before I started taking drugs. Live above the influence. Live above prescription drug abuse.